How to make Sonic the fastest Hedgehog on Vegas Bro. You're supposed to check on there. So if you want to do this while using color corrector. So first of all, I had to grab color corrector. Vegas color corrector. Low is what 120.0, 0.400. Medium is 150.0 and 0.400. 180.0 means 0.400. High. Saturation, gamma, gain, offset. Pageologist. Plus, even though. So, because I had to see the post. So, here is. So, it's supposed to be welcomed. So, so, frequency 3. Because you can see. Red height 100. Because you look screwed. Okay. Because you finish it with this. So, rotate portal 0. Brace start. Brace feet. Because you can see something like that. So, 0, 50, 50. Inner softness. So, you kind of see. So, outer radius. Outer radius is 700. Outer softness 210. This is so I blood pressure flag and filter you need to check it out. So the pitch is 1.5. Put elastic. Pitch is 1.5. Because you can see the sapphire fucking there. So anyway. So the preview choose is supposed to be 2 pitch. Okay. Let's play. Let's see that one more time. It's supposed to be the right spin. Supposed to said Sonic the fastest hedgehog major. And you better press this percent. Sonic the fastest hedgehog major. Sapphire. Warp. Huddle. As you already know about this thing then. Okay, that's it.